Okay. I'm scared. Oh. Ta-da! Hello everyone, my name is Ramon.
And I'm Christina.
And welcome back to our channel, Born to be Auslander in Cape Town, South Africa.
And today's vlog is not about adventure like always, it's about cooking. And today we will prepare an egg.
That one?
Not this one, that one.
Okay. So this is an ostrich egg. We bought it last time when we visited the ostrich farm here in Cape Town. And you know, one ostrich egg is equivalent of 24 normal chicken eggs.
And the weight is around 1.5 kilogram. The thickness of the shell is only 2 millimeter. But you know that you can stand on it and it will not break.
Really?
Yeah, because an ostrich egg can take up to 220 kilo vertical, like this, and 120 kilo like this. So, don't believe it?
Let's try it.
Let's try.
Subukan natin. Subukan namin tapakan yung itlog. Yung ostrich egg. I'm scared. Itong itlog na to ay unfertile egg. So when they collect yung mga ostrich egg, when they collect it, they put it in the incubator. And pag hindi siya na fertile, yun yung binibenta nila. They sell it. So this is the one we got from the ostrich farm.
So what he really wants to say is that when there is no baby inside, you can eat it.
Yeah, that's right.
See the size difference?
Yeah, there are big difference. So guys, nung binili namin to, may instruction na sa amin na binigay. So dito parang may X. So dito namin siya bubutasan. Kasi yung purpose namin is yung purpose namin ay gagawin naming decoration dito sa bahay. We will try to preserve it. That's why we want to crack it here, make a hole here, and then put it in a bowl. So guys, susubukan ko muna ng kutsara kasi yung instruction sa amin dun sa farm. So linagyan ng X dito. So try ko. Tigas?
Yeah, like this now.
So guys, gagawin namin scrambled egg na lang kasi hindi naman siya buo na.
So we will prepare a bit of the vegetarian option and the non-vegetarian option.
So guys, we will cook the egg now. Just a scrambled egg. Pero yung asawa ko yung magluluto. Kasi specialty niya is scrambled egg. Finished product. So guys, this is the finished product. So nagluto din kami ng bacon, tapos beef sausage, tapos side dish, vegetables, and tomatoes with mushroom. Yeah, just napakasimple lang. Bacon. Yung pinakaunang mukbang namin, mukbang. Sikat sa Pilipinas to ngayon, mukbang. So, good appetit. So guys, that was for today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming pagluluto. And we would like to say thank you so much, especially to our subscribers and to all the people who view our videos. Thank you so much.
Spasiba большое.
Vielen Dank for zuschauen.
Und salamat po. Born to be Auslander
Auslander out.